What's happening, y'all? It's your guy Rashad, Action Sports Bar and Grill, Action Food Truck, with another day in the life of a food truck owner. As always, I appreciate y'all checking out the videos. If you like, make sure that you give us a follow, subscribe, check us out on our socials, check out the website. If you're in the area, check out the bar, check out the food truck. Today's service was another HOA. We do a lot of HOA. If you haven't noticed it, we do a lot of HOA. We do a lot of catering. And since we consider ourselves a Four Seasons food truck, a lot of these HOAs still want to feed their people in January and February and March. And so we typically will do a couple of these a month throughout the year and more in the busy seasons. But yeah, we love HOA events. Stick around to the end of the video and check out my pro tip for the week. This one's food related. Pretty good one.
That's what the kids do. Is there a freezing out there?
Yup.
It's that wind.
I look all right?
Yeah. You want
Two? Yes, ma'am.
I just
I know what you meant.
three.
Three. For all three of them, yes. I'm feeling it. Smoked wings.
is it, Ashley? Get over there.
Be like Bow Wow.
Oh, them wings look good.
That's how Bow Wow is. Bow Wow says,
Coming in hot. Them wings look great.
What's that?
so they didn't like us because. What
Smoked wings.
temperature is that too?
Put my fingers on them because these are mine. I'm gonna eat these, so that's why. 180 for the culture. 180 for the culture. Gonna play with them not cooked wings, player. I need a pork mac, Mark. Pork mac. Easy, thank you. Rubber spatula, don't beat it up as bad when you go through it.
These guys came from Cisco the other day. Talked to earlier still. I said, oh yeah, that was the Jill's apartment. She put me in. So who does your yeah, Jill will be the person to talk to.
Y'all don't even know. Y'all know.
Can you give her some green butter so she can make some cookies with that?
How are they mixing it?
And then plus, she's gonna make some cocktails.
Yeah, you do.
I'm like, bones. Came out of the room with glasses on. I was fucking rolling. So take me like a
She's safe right now. She's in her safe place. That shit was funny as shit.
like, nope. So, I look at eye contact.
I said, I just want, I don't even want a Christmas present. Just get high with me one time. For the gram.
Oh crap. Sorry. One more? Nope. Oh my god.
What's up, Mark? What's up, man? Oh, perfect. Yeah, you do. Need to both of them. We got another brisket mag coming on. That shit was funny. I mean, I was for sure. I was hearing him, right? I was like, damn, bro, that is tragic. I never even heard of that shit.
Right? Right? Gay trades.
Exactly. What happened? That shit was funny. That shit was funny.
Dial it back a little bit now, but
Rafa.
Rafa.
Weighs 7 pounds. Little toy poodle.
I got a friend that's got one like that, a little bit darker. Gave me the clue, you're like, yeah, she's trying to resurface. Emergency room
Yeah. Well, I think they want the kale salads. there was a couple of things that got rang incorrectly, but we're working on that.
So what did they get?
It's all right, Nick. Hopefully they come back. We'll fix it.
She emailed me on the 24th of January, which was 3 weeks ago, right?
Okay. Can we just come back?
Can we take a
break time? Because this particular video has so much food content, my pro tip is kind of slanted that way this week. And my pro tip is only sell food and products that you really, really, really love. I'm talking about for a food truck. I'm not talking about, this is for the restaurant owners out there. A restaurant has over 50 items on it. You know, we got burgers, we got breakfast, we got sandwiches, we got, you know, a couple entrees. We do a little bit of everything. We have all of our specials. We got appetizers. So the restaurant is a different thing, right? The food truck, the nice thing about food truck life is you could have a menu with 6 items on it and be golden. If there are 6 items that you absolutely love, something that connects to you growing up, or you have a fond memory, or it's food you're comfortable, you really know well, you like, and there's some passion to it, you know, I understand why there's trucks that only do grilled cheese or trucks that only do mac and cheese, because the food truck is different than a restaurant. You get to just sell the thing that you really, really, really like. If you have too many things on your menu, I think you'd rather have too few than too many. I'm not gonna say you're doing it wrong. I'm just saying, I think if you were gonna pick which one to go with having less items than having more items, because as I look through this video, and it's just like every day of service for me out there, I love the food that we put on our food truck. I mean, I love our restaurant food too, but you know, smoked wings, I could eat smoked wings 5 days a week. I could eat, you know, garlic greens and mac and cheese 5 days. I could eat all of these things. I could eat them 5 days a week. The beans, I love doing line check on our food and tasting it all before it goes out, because if I don't have that reaction of like, let's go, then we're missing the mark. And it just makes it easier to, I think it's easier to sell. I think it's easier to execute too, because it's just the hits for me. Our truck is, I think, probably has a bigger menu. We're probably more like 8 to 10 items on our food truck menu, but that's partially because we have some food, we have restaurant experience, and we're a little greedy, ambitious that way. So execution wise, the extra dishes on our menu are very similar component wise and construction wise as the main menu items that we have. So all of that is to say, again, the pro tip for me is just stick to shit that you really, really like, that you really, really sell. Your mom's, you know, famous, you know, goulash or whatever it is, you know, Greek food, whatever your ethnicity is, whatever that you know that you make a fantastic version of and you really, really, really like it, because it just, I could sell our smoked wings all day long because I really do eat them 5 days a week. So, uh-oh, boss is calling. Yes, ma'am. Hello. Hello.
Hi, honey.
Hi.
Hey, I'm sending Skylar to cash and carry.
Yes, ma'am.
So I was gonna have her get fish for tomorrow.
Okay.
Does that sound good?
Yep, that sounds good to me.
Do you need anything else? Pork butt?
Yes, we should probably get a case of pork butt too.
Case of pork butt?
Yep.
Do you know which one it is, Faye? Okay. Anything else, baby?
Not that I can think of. I put Brussels sprouts on there.
Oh, can you put Brussels sprouts on under summer? I just did it separate, but it doesn't matter.
Okay.
And then just FaceTime me if you have any questions, okay?
Or me.
Or Rashad. Or Rashad. Okay.
Both available.
All right.
Thank you very much.
Okay, love you.
Love you too, babe.
All right.
Talk to you later. Bye. Okay, so that's hashtag bar life, hashtag restaurant life. Yeah, so a little shopping right now. Girls taking care of everything like they always do. Pro tip, that's what I was talking about. Pro tip. Yeah, so the pro tip, stick with what you really like. My mom makes the best salted chocolate chip cookie I've ever tasted in my entire life. So for me, that's an easy sell. Like right now, you want one. Just hear me, the conviction in my voice talking about it. So imagine on a cold day like this was, selling a warm chocolate chip cookie with people. Come on. You know, and I've talked about it before in other videos, but on a freezing cold day like that, we make sure we have hot chocolate on board. We make sure we have the warm cookies. We make sure that the soup is steaming hot, you know. So, yeah, all that. Extra pro tip for you right there, too. Prepare for the weather that you're in. But the main one is stick with what you like. Less is more. Don't need 15 items on your menu. Just saying. Appreciate you guys tuning in. We'll see you on the next one.